oil in a GY6 150cc go-kart or scooter engines. Any of these Chinese scooters that use that type of engine, changing oil is about the same. So you come back here, your oil drain plug will be right under here, and your fill plug is right there, right here. And then this one has a filter underneath it, right, let's see, right there. There's a little filter thing. So I'll show you this once I get it up. So first thing you're gonna need is a car hoist, so you can two-post, so you can lift it safely. No, I'm kidding. No, actually you can do it on the ground. You got enough clearance, but I'm gonna use my hoist to show you, and then a drain pan. I'm using my floor drain. So let's get this thing up and I'll show you how to do it. It's up in the air. Here is the drain plug on the left side of the motor, right there. And then there's the filter right here that you unscrew. And then there's your fill dipstick area. So you can leave this on for the filter and it'll drain, but I'm gonna take this off because I'm able to. I can get to it, then it can just drip right down. And then I'm going to take out that drain plug, and we'll change the oil. This one is a 17 millimeter, so yours may be different. Just crack it open. Use a drain pan that has something to catch the drain plug if it falls in. You don't have much to work with around here. You know, it's kind of tight, especially if you're doing it on the ground because you got your muffler right there, but make sure you don't lose your little washer. Now this one's going to be kind of soupy or thin because there's gas in it, but that's about it for that one. Then your other one you gotta do. I said earlier that I was going to take this chain guard off, but it has two holes right here, drain holes. So then the oil is just going to drop down from that filter and go in these drain holes, and my drain pan is wide enough, so it'll collect it pretty easy. So you can do it for yours, leave it on and just wipe it off afterwards. So this drain plug should be the same as your other side. So mine's a 17 millimeter for the filter. So you just undo it. Let's see if I can do this quick. Feels like there's a spring on there. Yep, there's a spring and stuff in here. I guess stuff doesn't come out. Actually, it's stuck up there. Let me grab that out. Let's see. Okay, just that's about it. It's a mesh filter. Mine's absolutely clean, so I'm just gonna wipe it up quick. Let's see if we can see what it looks like in here. Put it down. Let's see. So let's see if you guys can see that right up there. So that's what it looks like.